Hey, so we're going to do 5 RV questions in 5 minutes. And question number 1 is, what is your worst experience? So what's our worst experience?
Well, for me, it was driving through Northern California.
Yeah, that wasn't real pleasant.
And that was, I mean...
No offense to anybody, but that was just, it was a mess. It
was because one of the roads that we wanted to go down, they didn't recommend going taking trailers down through there, so we had to turn around and backtrack about 30 miles.
To take the highway that was going to have hour-and-a-half detour, or hour-and-a-half construction stops. Mm-hmm. Yeah, and it was really hot, and so it was a pretty miserable time. We were not happy with that. That was pretty miserable. But the other worst would probably be the fender falling off as we're driving down the highway. Yeah. That kind of stunk too. Luckily, it didn't fall completely off, so it didn't like fall off and blow over and smack anybody or nothing. It just fell off partially and was hanging and flopping. Okay, so name an embarrassing scenario. The fender flopping. That is kind of embarrassing when parts of your camper are flopping around as you're going down the road.
Well, I don't know. Speaking of flopping, when you were taking your outside shower and the wind picked up and about blew the shower off of her, I had to come out there and hold it up, or hold it down, basically, so the wind didn't blow it away.
Yeah.
That was...
I mean, it had a floor. If it hadn't had a floor, it would have been gone. It would have just went shoop and been gone. It was pretty windy. There was like storms picking up and stuff. Have you ever got lost? No. We've been detoured several times, and sometimes GPS will say, go down this road, go down this road, go down this road, when we realize we could have probably just went straight.
Yeah, I mean, we've missed a turn, usually because we're looking off at the scenery on the other side and drive right past the road, but I mean, nothing where we haven't just turn around and come back. But
yeah, but to actually get lost, no, we haven't done that. He has a really good sense of direction, though, so that helps. Best cooked meal. My favorite's biscuits and gravy when we're camping.
Mine too.
I like biscuits. Of course, I like biscuits and gravy anytime.
I just like biscuits.
I just like food. Favorite place to visit? So, destination-wise, the coast. Oregon coast. That was my favorite. But, I don't know. What was your favorite destination-wise?
Destination-wise, I mean, it was probably the coast. Even though, if you go by, camp place, it was definitely in the mountains of Colorado. So, it just kind of depends on how
boondocking is always our favorite camping spot. So if if it's wanting to know favorite place to visit campsite-wise, always boondocking. And the ones in Colorado are really great because, you get the mountains all around you and kind of timed storms.
Yep.
What was it, like 1:30 to 3 every afternoon? Is the weirdest thing. Didn't know that was like a thing, but it is.
Well, that's probably because we have no mountains where we live.
Yeah, that's possible. So this was a challenge video. We had been challenged by Posh Cats Camping, our friends from across the pond. And if you haven't checked out their channel yet, I will leave a link in the description below to their channel. Go over and check them out. And if you would like to do the 5-question in 5 minutes motorhome challenge, I will leave those questions in the description below. And if you want, you can use them and you can do a challenge. But we're not going to specifically challenge anyone. But if you do it, if you want to take the challenge, let us know in the comments because we'll be sure and watch for your video to come out.